Hey cutie patooties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. So cutie patooties, I got a package in the mail, and I'm gonna be opening up this package for you guys today so y'all can see what I got. I believe this package is from my good friends over at Bornpretty. My cuties are here with me, y'all. They've been sick. Life has been hectic. But I believe our good friends over at Bornpretty sent this to me. Yes, it was our friends at Bornpretty because I know exactly what's in here once I pull this out. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up so you guys can see these beautiful magnetic polishes that they sent to me in the mail. Everything is nicely packaged, all nice and tight, so please forgive the noise as I rip this open because I got it this week and the end of last week, and I've been so excited to open it because, as y'all know, I was in school and I've been busy. And I'm back in the nail room now, so let's rip this thing open and see what colors we got. So I like that they put it in this foam wrapping here, which is really good. It helps keep the packages from breaking, and I love that each package is in its individual little Ziploc bag. So I have a total of 5 bottles here. They're the 7 ml bottles, and let's get right into these colors. If y'all hear any noise, that's my little cuties on their tablets. Everybody's just hanging out in the nail room this evening. But how have you guys been? I feel like it's been like a super long minute since I've talked to you guys, since I hopped on a bunch of your channels, since I've said hello. I tried to do a lot of pre-recording before I went to school, but I will be happy to let you guys know I have successfully graduated from that class, and I will be credentialed as a victim advocate for sexual harassment and sexual assault. So I'm super happy to be announcing that accomplishment in my life. So first things first, we have a matte top coat, and I also love how they put the shrink wrap on it. I really like that. We have, this looks like a beautiful blue color. The color number is BP79. Then we have a reflective glitter flash gel, and I believe this is the magnetic one, but we'll figure it out, don't worry. Then we have the colorful flowing, let me look at this, y'all, give me 1 second. So I still can't read this, you guys. It's super small and tight, but I'm assuming it's colorful flowing Spurcal magnetic gel. So this is the magnetic one. But again, like I said, we'll see once we get to swatching. And this is a watercolor nail gel. And all of these are from Bornpretty. Now, y'all already know I really like these bottles, the accenting with the gold. It was a very beautiful touch. Now, these 3 bottles are 7 ml. And these 2 bottles, I love this matte black finish. They're 10 mLs. So let's open these up. Let's get some swatching done. I also received this magnetic wand, which I'm gonna put together right now. And we're gonna swatch and we're gonna play with some magnetic colors. So let me just slide this in here. Ooh, y'all, tough times, tough times. All right, it's in there like swimwear. It says cat eyes magnetic board, and it's dual-sided. So we're gonna start playing with these colors, swatched out, and we're gonna see which one is magnetic and which ones are not. Okay, cuties, so I am ready. I've got my little surface area ready. I am ready to start swatching these out. We're gonna go with this first one that I couldn't really say well, but it's CF07. We're gonna go ahead and swatch this out and see what we're looking like. Ooh, so it looks like a reflective. It almost looks like one of the reflective colors that I got from them before. But this is pretty. It's really pretty. Now, I know like most people will like do either white or black background on this, but I like to swatch it out and see what I'm working with. I don't know if y'all have noticed the changes in my lighting. This is super beautiful because it looks like, so it is not like one of the other reflectives that I got. If you guys can kind of see already, there's like some red glitter pieces, there's some gold, and there's some silver. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna do a second coat and come back so you guys can take a look at it. So cuties, this is after a second coat. It coats it very nicely. And this is just so beautiful. Y'all don't mind my little ashy hands, but this is gorgeous. Do you guys see those reflective pieces, those glitter pieces in there? It's so pretty. You can see the reddish pink, you can see that gold and that silver. I hope it's coming through here on this camera. But what I was saying before about my lighting, I don't know what's up with this ring light, but I think it's going out on me, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna cure this and we're gonna move on to the very next color. So the next color we have is the Watercolor Nail Gel. Y'all, my hands are so dry. I mean, it's getting colder, it's winter time, and these hands right here, they suffering. I've been putting lotion on and doing everything I need to do, but it ain't working out for me, y'all. So this is clear. And it's super thick. It says Watercolor Nail Gel, so I think this is a blooming gel. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna save this for a second and we'll come back to it because I'm gonna try it with this color right here. Now this is the Reflective Glitter Flash Gel. Okay. And wait a minute. Y'all, I might be bugging, but I think this was the magnetic one. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm supposed to cure that do the magnet prior to curing. So let me go ahead and do this again. Y'all, I don't know. For some reason, I'm feeling like this is not a magnetic gel, but we're gonna try again. I'm gonna lather this on. Y'all gonna get this video real and raw. I am not gonna do too much editing on this because like I said, my girlies don't feel so well and mommy's just a little bit tired. So yeah, life. All right, so let's get this magnet out and see. Ooh, oh, what? Ooh, okay, girl. Y'all see that? Okay, girl. Am I doing this right, y'all? What am I doing, y'all? I see something moving. Ooh, y'all see that? How you like me? How you like me? How you like me now? Okay, let's try this side. Ooh, yes, hunty. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, girl. I see you. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to get something going in here. Trying to get, ooh, I think I like that. But it's like, you gotta be quick with it. Gotta be quicker than that. Gotta be quicker than that. Ooh, yes. Y'all see that? Ooh. Okay, let me cure this time because we figured it out. Well, I figured it out. Y'all should have told me something for y'all had me doing all of that. But let me cure this, put another layer, and then see what happens, okay? Okay, now I'm back. And y'all see that? Ooh, isn't that just so pretty? Should I do a second coat or no, y'all? I feel like I don't want to mess it up, and I'm hoping that you guys see the magnetic shift in it. I don't think I want to do a second coat, you guys. I don't think I want to do a second coat. But yes, this particular color is the magnetic one, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. Alrighty, so let's get into this one, which is the reflective glitter flash gel. And luckily I pulled out enough swatch sticks to be able to do this because I apparently messed up on the first one. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm in love. I'm in love, y'all. I got real silent for a minute, right? Because this is a very deep, rich, beautiful purple. Beautiful. I wonder if this one is also magnetic. What y'all think? Y'all think it's magnetic? Y'all think I should try this wand on this beautiful purple with its reflective? Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. It's got some turquoise, some pink, some purple, and silver specks in there. Let's try this wand and see what happens. Is it magnetic? I don't think it is. I don't see anything happening, you guys. I don't see anything happening at all. So I don't think this one is magnetic. So I'm gonna pop this in the lamp, do a second coat, and then come back to you guys. Okay, cuties, so this is what it looks like with a second coat on it. You guys can see all of those beautiful reflective colors pop in here. This is super, super pretty. I really like it. And I went ahead and I did a second coat of the magnetic color and I popped it in the lamp. So I'm gonna show you guys that in 4, 3, 2, 1. And here it is. This with the second coat on it. I felt like it was a lot transparent, but with this second coat, you guys can kind of see that reflective look a bit more. The red sparkles, it's what, you know, the reflectiveness or magneticness, if that's even a word, of this particular color, which is just so gorgeous. Two gorgeous colors back to back. I am loving this already, but Bornpretty has not disappointed so far, so I really, really like those two. All right, now we know this is a matte top coat, but let's get into this particular color, and we're gonna do it with the blooming gel. Now I'm gonna try to open this, and I'm gonna get a dotting tool and we'll be back, but let's take a look at it real quick. This is a very nice navy blue. It's very rich and it feels very creamy, very, very creamy. So let me get this dotting tool and let's get to work on this particular color. So I've placed a little of it on my palette here, and this consistency of this watercolor gel is super thick. So I'm just gonna go in with a thin coat and just cover the entire swatch stick here. Very nice thin coat, making sure to get every nook and cranny. And then I'm just gonna take my dotting tool and just start making some little dots on here somehow. See what happens. It is a blooming gel. Y'all see that? And it is blooming quite nicely. Quite nicely. Let's get some up here. Try to do a little design while I'm at it. What y'all think? Right? Do a little something, something.
Yeah, do my something, something.
A little something, something, right? All right, pussy?
Yep.
All right. And it's blooming very nicely, y'all. I'm happy to get this because that means now I have 2 different products that I can refer to when it comes to blooming gels, blossom gels, however you want to call it. But you guys can see that it has bloomed very nicely. It's still blooming a bit on its own, and I think at this point right here I'm just gonna go pop it in the lamp and we'll be back. Now while that's baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a simple color of that beautiful navy blue on this swatch stick and give y'all a little taste of what that matte looks like. Now you guys see how super creamy this is and how super pigmented it is. I really like it. I really like it. Like, I believe 1 coat can go a long way, but to be on the safe side, we like to do 2 coats, and I'm not sure where that came from, but it's out of the way, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get this nice and polished up. This is super pretty, you guys. I'm really liking this color. I'll do 2 coats, you guys, to be on the safe side, but this is a very beautiful navy blue. I really like it, and it's super pigmented. I can see that it self-levels on its own. I really like it. Yeah, very nice color, very nice consistency. I'm really liking that. Pop that in the lamp. I'm gonna pull the one with the blossom gel out so you guys can see how that looks. So this is a very effective blooming gel. So Bornpretty, kudos to y'all on that. So far so good. I'm loving these colors and I am loving the effects. You guys gave me a lot in 1 package. Thank you so much for the magnetic wand and the magnetic gel. And now that this is all done curing, let's go ahead and add some matte to it. I've decided not to do the 2nd coat, you guys, but let's just add some matte polish to this. It looks like a typical matte color consistency, but let's just go in at a diagonal. What y'all think? Let's switch it up. Go in diagonal today, right?
Yeah.
And let's get some matte top coat on here. Lovely. I think that'll do. Got everything all nice and saturated. Let's pop that in the lamp, see what we're working with, and we will be back. And this is what it looks like matte. It feels okay. I don't want to go ahead and run any alcohol on top of this because it doesn't feel like there's an inhibition layer. And of course the natural oils that's on my finger is not tarnishing it or making it shiny in any way. But this is what it looks like matte, and I think that it's super gorgeous. Very beautiful blue color. So these are all the colors that I received today from Bornpretty. I really like these. I'm super happy to get this reflective one with the wand. Thank you so much, as always, cuties, for watching. And as always, I'll most definitely talk to you in my next one. Bye. Bye.